Hi guys, very important announcement. Quite recently, it come to my attention there are some scammer creating fake account using my name, my photo and my identity, asking your personal data. Keep in mind, I will never contact you or never ask any personal information. If someone asks you with my name and my photo, it means it has to be a scammer. Keep that in mind. These guys are creating fake account in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and pretending like me and asking your personal data. Remember, I will never ask any information from you, or I even never contact you. That is the fundamental baseline. Okay, so if someone contact you, please keep aware, be alert, and never share any information with anyone. And also please report those accounts to those relevant companies such as Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, to alert them that that is not a real person. It is someone who trying to scam you, someone who actually pretend like me. Please always be careful, stay safe, and also never share any information with anyone. It is a risk for you guys. Someone gonna try to steal your information or steal your money and stuff like that. Again, I just want to warn you guys, I will never contact you, and so I'm making this video for emergency purpose. And only quite recently, yesterday only, it come to my attention because these guys are contacting some of my friends and family. They report me, but I'm pretty sure I went to some of the account and found out there are so many people who following me also, that this person following. So probably you might get message from this guy. If you receive any message, please ignore it, never accept this person. And also in future also, if it's in my name, if in my photo, someone contact you, it's not me, never accept, never follow those guys. They are the scammers. And I'll give you a quick example of the account who actually trying to do right now. Right, look at this screen. This is use my name, Ramnath Sudhakar, and then afterward one and dash, originally created as a one, and soon as I found out, I start reporting, and then the person changed the name with the dash here as well. So you clearly know this is the fake account. I mean, my original account is there, which is, you can see here, this is my original account without nothing, just the full name like that. But the person cloned the exact same account with one and dash at the end. I'm pretty sure as soon as this account blocked or terminated, this person gonna create another account with something else with afterward. So make sure, if you want to verify who's the real person, I always share this my username. You can see here, Ramnath Sudhakar, and also you can check verify by in my description as well. That is my real account. This is a real account. This is a fake account. Okay, and in the fake account, you can see last 6 photos was taken from my original profile and then use it here, which is, again, don't fall as a fool, because these guys are scammers. I don't know where they're operating from. These guys are doing to many other people as well. Now they are trying to do for me. They're creating a fake account and pretending like me. So keep in mind, guys, this is my real account. Other one, this is the fake account. But if someone contact you with this account or any account with something at the end or start or something completely random with my names and my photo, just ignore it. But also look at, this is my real original, my Twitter account. You can see here, if this is my account, right? If someone contact you with a completely random thing with my name and my photo, don't respond or don't reply, just ignore, block them. But again, the baseline is, I will never contact you in any form, like message or phone, or I will never contact like that. I even never ask anything from you. So if someone asks you, you should know that is a scammer, and so be safe. Okay, so anyway, guys, I don't want to take this video long, but this is the warning video for all of you guys who actually follow me or who actually watch my videos, things like that. But stay safe, and I will see you in another video. Until then, you guys take care and goodbye.